If you're having pain in your joints, keep watching. This video is for you. Today we are making cow foot, a popular Jamaican collagen loaded meat. And not everyone does this, but I am cooking my cow foot from scratch because no one is good enough to get me to use a pressure cooker. That's like a story for another time. What happened 35 years ago at another time. So I have boiled it overnight, and let me show you how I have boiled it. You have to start with clean cow foot. Then I'm adding water and salt into a pot and some garlic, of course. Now I'm gonna put a generous amount of my green seasoning. Stir that in. Yeah, lots of garlic. You set it to boil, and we have some beans that we're gonna use later on. So you add your cow foot, and you're gonna leave that to cook. I never use a pressure cooker, so I just have to cook it the old time way. So that is boiling, soaking up the goodness of the seasonings, and I'm testing it to see how soft it is, to see how much longer to boil. It's about halfway there. And now I'm just transferring it to finish the cooking process. Look at that. All that collagen. In Jamaica we call that glue. So now I'm cutting up some vegetables and more seasonings to finish nicing up the pot. Yeah man, the pot have to be colorful and beautiful. That's how I love it. So as you can see, I'm using some carrots, onion, scallion and thyme, tomato, some red and yellow bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper of course, and my green seasoning that have all of those things already inside of it. Garlic and ginger and all of the goodness. Right now I'm adding a little browning just for color, not too much, and I'm adding also some brown stew seasoning and a little all-purpose seasoning and more garlic, fresh garlic, that is. And I don't know if you can smell this through the screen, but I am telling you, the scent is just, I don't know the scent. And now we are beautifying this pot. I'm adding all the colors and the flavors, and it's gonna be so good. Oh yes. And if my pot is not looking like this when I'm cooking, I am not happy, because I am a happy girl. And I always like to make my food look happy and beautiful. I've just added a little sugar and the scotch bonnet pepper. And now for the broad beans. But before the broad beans, I'm putting a little ketchup just to thicken up the gravy. I mean, it doesn't really need it because we're cooking glue. And spinners, of course, we can't cook cow foot without spinners. Yeah, I think that's a Jamaican thing, but you know, yeah, we have to add our spinners. And then after the spinners, that's when we will add the broad beans. But of course, we won't be eating the cow foot by itself. So I'm just making some string beans. Use a little butter and fresh garlic, and that's it. Yeah, add salt and red pepper flakes, of course. And that's it, string beans ready. And if you've made it this far in the video, please go ahead, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you. Cow foot is looking good. Spinners cooked. Cow foot is cooked, so now it's time for the beans. Yeah, cow foot without broad beans is not cow foot at all. So make sure you have your broad beans before you go in your kitchen to cook cow foot. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. So authentically Jamaican. Now it's time to serve and eat up this beautiful deliciousness. And if you've never had cow foot before, I think you should try it. It's absolutely delicious and it is so good for you. So full of collagen. You don't have to buy those collagen powders. Trust me, try it out. Especially for people who have arthritis and the joint pain and all of that. Yes, man, you need the glue. You have to eat more cow foot and chicken foot to get back the glue in your joints. And from your semi plate, you know say it was good because the plate empty. I still have to eat the bone like when me did small. Anyway, look up to the left, you see my playlist. Please go ahead and take a look. And thank you for watching. Bye.